Hey DIY warriors, want to create retro cool color engravings on tumblers that look this sharp? No fluff, no trendy hacks, just a straight up step-by-step guide to get it right the first time. Stick around, this is the only tutorial you'll need. P.S. Smash that like button if you're ready to ditch guesswork and get hands on. Laser Test Grid 101, your jumping off point. First rule of DIY, test, don't guess. Grab a junk tumbler and crank out a test grid. Here's my go-to. Fiber laser, 200 lines per centimeter, 60 kHz frequency, power between 10 to 30%, speed 10 to 100 millimeters per second. As a pro tip, this isn't busy work, it's your cheat sheet for dialing in perfect colors later. Treat it like an old school mixtape. Take your time. Set up colors like a pro. No autopilot here. Now, channel your inner 90s tech geek. Use that test grid to assign settings per color layer. For the score layer, the secret sauce I use, 50% power, 200 millimeters speed. As a critical hack, under processing mode, select curved material, then hit the 3 dots and choose by layer. This isn't a shortcut, it's mandatory for clean curves. Step 3. Side and angle. No regrets, measure twice, engrave once. Gen X didn't have undo buttons, neither do we. Set your exact angle, no eyeballing. Match your image size to the tumbler's max engraving space. Hit framing to lock the position. As a throwback tip, if your laser's fussy, treat it like a Tamagotchi. Patience will pay off. Clean the canvas. No oops moments here, zero burn guarantee. Skip this step and you'll be stuck in 1980s quality regret. As a pro move, turn off all layers except cleanup. Run it solo, no multitasking allowed. The cleanup pass, I actually used dotting and the blue light. Dot duration 200, power 65, 350 dpi. 3 passes. Trust me, it's the sweet spot. Now, turn off that cleanup layer and you turn on everything else. Let it ride, set it and forget it. This is step 5. You hit go, then walk away. This takes 27 minutes, perfect for a coffee break or a Seinfeld rerun. Final wisdom. Good art isn't rushed. When it's done, pure satisfaction. There you go. No algorithms, no filters, just real deal results. Drop a comment if you've got questions or want to share your Tumblr wins. Subscribe for more no BS tutorials because adulthood's hard enough without bad engravings. Peace out and keep creating.